actually 25th of April is World DNA Day. And I am an oncologist and a hematologist. As a profession, we deal with a lot of genomics. Genomics means analyzing mutation alterations in the DNA, in the RNA, and of course, there are certain things known as proteomics, metabolomics, transcriptomics, which we do routinely. The whole purpose of doing this clinic was preventive genomics, means can we predict genomically whether you have a chance of getting a certain type of disorder. And preventive genomics is the larger landscape which we talk about when we are dealing with predicting cardiac problem, predicting drug response to a person, whether they will respond in the same way in the same dose, or they need a higher dose or a lesser dose. When they are already taking multiple drugs, how will it interact? Some will have more side effects, some will have less side effect. If you already have a liver condition, let's say hepatic fibrosis, will it turn into something really irreversible or not? So it's known as preventive gastro, in which you can do genomic predicting for gastroenterological disorder. For hematology, there are certain things in which we can find out whether there are certain hematology. It is also used for diagnosis. So all type of leukemias require genomic testing. But can we even predict in our first degree relatives whether they will have cancer? So this is known as cancer predictive genomics. Then again, can we talk about certain conditions like type 2 diabetes or Alzheimer's disease? So that's known as polygenomic scoring. Can we predict a person who will have it and therefore offer lifestyle changes? So basically why we are doing this is to find out either are there any solutions which can be predicted that you should do these from early on. For obesity, whether obesity drugs will work or not. Do you have anything in nutrition that needs to be changed? That is known as nutrigenomics. So finding out solutions by predicting a problem early. If you have a very high risk of a cardiac problem, let's say you may have an early onset cardiac problem, is there any solutions that can be offered in terms of therapy? So the entire purpose of this clinic is to predict problems so that we can offer solutions.